In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can use Clawdbot and experiment with Clawdbot without installing it in your personal machine, without risking your machine, and without buying Anthropic, Cloud Code, or any OpenAI or any LLM key. So that too for free. So if you know about this Cloud Code hype, it's really a great thing, and you want to experiment it, how it feels to get that power and use that great product. So let's show you. Let me show you how you can use this great open source project directly without risking your personal laptop. Let's do that. Okay, so this is the website Claude.bot. Okay, the name is changed, sorry, because these guys are already facing some legal dilemma. So this is the website Moltbot. Okay, so this is the same because they have mapped to the same website. So now it's renamed to Moltbot. Okay, so this is the only command that we will be using. And if you want to go through, you can read the documentations. It is really nice, and people are already making it great again. So it's already making great. Not again, but yeah, it was already great. So uh, go and search on the internet, Google Cloud Shell, and click on the first link. And you need to first activate the Cloud Shell. Okay, read this documentation and read the Cloud. Make it activate this Cloud Shell. You might need to do it because if you might be doing this for the first time, then you might need to do this. I'll not do because I already have this activated, so I'll click on that, and I can directly click on this shell over here. Okay, also I'll just click on this shell, and you will see authorize button. Now I'll simply authorize it, and I got a virtual machine to work on temporarily, to experiment on. You see, I was already working on this CloudBot, so the terminal was still there. So I'll just clear everything, and yeah, because I have already installed, and so you can simply copy paste and run this command. So I'll do that for you. I won't do that because it's already installed. So it will say it's already installing, but it's already installed. So I don't need to do that. But all the thing that will come up. Uh, won't come up again because it's already installed. So I'll go through the documentation, and to get all those questions again, I simply need to run this command, Moltbot onboard. So I'll do that. So the command line still needs to change to Moltbot. So I will have to type Clawdbot. Okay, so I'll type Clawdbot, and you will see that there are a bunch of questions that they will ask. So, do you understand this is powerful and inherently risky? I understand that. And you want to kickstart? Yes, I want to kickstart. Use existing values? Yep. So, what model you want to do? I will connect my GitHub Copilot because for me it's free. So, even if you create a GitHub account, you get the GitHub Copilot for free, and you can use the model you can use the corresponding model. So I have already connected it, so I won't do that again. So you click on it, it will ask for you to log in the GitHub, and it's quite easy. You can simply open the link and enter the code, and it will get connected easily. So make sure and make an account on GitHub. I have already done that, and I have selected um Haiku. Yes, I have selected Haiku model, and yeah, it will work absolutely fine. So I won't do the rest of the steps because it's very easy. It's very easy, even if you skip all of them. I want to show you how a little bit of demo. Okay, it's running. It's running. I want to show you that how you can experiment with it without losing anything safely. Okay, so once you do that, because it doesn't have the only so it can't run any background thing. So what uh, I need to do is Claude gateway. Okay, the moment I do it, it will you know open. Yeah, you see, host mounted at this link. So if I click on this link, yeah, it's all. So I have already asked some questions. How are you, buddy? And yeah, it responds quite well. So you see, this is the interface that where you can directly chat and ask to do changes in the system, create any folder, and it will create. Okay, and you can create a new session. It will persist every memory, the memory, and whatever chat you will do. All these promises are which are made. It works. Okay, I have tried that out. So yeah, and now I have also connected my WhatsApp. So yeah, I know it was a little risky, but I'll disconnect anyway. Um, so let me connect my Android. So give me a minute. So this is my WhatsApp, and I'll simply say hi. Okay, hi Claude bot. Let's see if I get reply. I think somebody's typing. Okay, hi Prince, back again. What's up? So it's really cool. Like it responds, and it's running on that machine which we were using. So, can you create oh can you open my Obsidian Vault and see what are the files there? Okay, let's see if it remembers the Obsidian Vault which I created. Okay. Okay. Let me try a broader search. Okay. Okay. It's in, I think, in the documents folder. It's in the documents folder. Okay. I believe I have deleted. Okay. Okay. It found it. Okay. Now you see. Uh, this is the folder. Okay. This README file. If I click on it, what happens? Okay, that's a link. Uh, that's a link. Okay, but see, it was able to read the folder. Okay. Can you write a file named new file doc txt and write hello world in it? In the same Obsidian Vault. Okay, let's see if it does. Okay, okay, it created. Okay, we'll see whether or not it has created that. Let's see in the terminal. Let's come back to the terminal. So this was the terminal, and let's close the gateway. Okay, clear everything. Let's say what do we have in the documents folder. I told. Um, yeah, there is the Obsidian Vault, and inside that you see this is the file, and what's written there? Cat new file.txt, and it's written hello world there. So you see, like so powerful is it? Okay, that's where you can try safely, try to use Clawdbot safely, and later uninstall it, make scratch it. Do whatever you want. I'll do that after the video. Okay, bye. See you. Hope you also enjoy using Clawdbot/Maltbot. Okay, bye.